Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Isaac Oloruntimilehin. I'm a 2021 community leader for internet advocacy at Digital Grassroots. Well, my key expertise are in community engagement, project management, data collection, and analysis. So I'm an undergraduate student at University of Ilorin studying urban and regional planning, and I'm currently in my final year. I am a member of the Wikimedia movement in Nigeria, a member of the Creative Commons Global Network, the European Network Association, and I contribute to various open source projects. I also have interest in the SDGs, and I've been a fellow at the Millennium Fellowship and the Local Pathways Fellowship. So my motivations for joining the program, that I joined basically to learn about the guiding principles and ethics for a free and open internet. Like the knowledge of the internet, most especially in Nigeria and other countries in sub-Saharan Africa and the global south, is limited, and I don't think it paints the true picture of what the internet is supposed to be like, the possibilities and the things that are supposed to be embedded in the internet. So I joined this program to learn about the guiding principle, the ethics for a free and open internet. I joined to learn about the best practices on the internet, and I also joined to empower myself and my community on how best to navigate the online space and to make best use of the internet. So the delivery of the program, the training platform, which was Moodle, was very user friendly. It was user friendly in the sense that it didn't consume so much data, and it was easily accessible. It was easy to navigate through it. The user interface was actually very great. And then the weekly meetings, which we had on Fridays, were short and productive. It was very short and productive, just 1 hour long, where we check in and we discuss the what we went through on the week on the module. So, and then the prompt feedback on assignment submissions was really a great thing. Sharing the leaders, the mentors, or the program instructors sharing their ideas on how best we could also implement our projects and the situation in our communities. Also, the flexible nature of the program. There were times I didn't meet the deadline and the deadline was extended, or I wasn't able to attend the session fully, and they were understanding. And the most important part of the program, which was really great, was the mentorship session. It was a very great addition. It was nice. It was exposition in it's explained a lot of things I didn't know that we couldn't even cover during the training. So the mentorship program I was also able to explore my interests. I felt free to ask questions from my mentor and to discuss with him. And I also discovered my niche in the process of discussing with my mentor. So my suggestions to enhance the quality of the program. Well, the program was actually great and well delivered, but as we all know that there's always room for improvement. So I would suggest that a platform for leaders to interact and connect with each other. During the course, we knew ourselves basically. I connected with some people on Twitter and LinkedIn, but there was no space during the program whereby we were able to connect and just discuss and share our experiences and collaborate. Since it's a virtual program, it would have been nice if a week could have been dedicated to that. So another suggestion is for the duration of the mentorship session to be extended. We had just 2 hours with our mentors, although my mentor was understanding and was willing to go more to answer questions, to share his opinions, and to discuss if I had anything up. So the duration of the mentorship session should be extended, and then a dedicated library could be created for this program, whereby internet leaders from the past years, past cohorts, what they've done, their findings could be put there, and readings, project resources, different things could just be gathered in this library to enhance the quality of the program, so that internet leaders coming up in future years or cohorts would be able to go through this library and be better positioned to make the best of the program. So thank you. So basically my project I discussed with my mentor, and my project was on open data and how it could be used in my communities and how we can make best use of it, the open web, how we can establish we talked about the 50-50 target, which was met last year. And so 50% of the global population still don't have access to the internet. And most of these people are in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. So a larger proportion of people in Africa, in my country, my community, don't have access to the internet. And those that have access to the internet face limitations in terms of access, costs, technicalities, language. And then we also talked about language. Most of the content on the internet are in the major languages. The most spoken language in the world, so you English, French, Arabic, Russian, Spanish. So we have a lot of people who don't speak any of these languages, and they will be coming onto the net very soon. So I project wants to work on creating a space for these people to make the best use of the internet. Although this is still in the ideation phase, but I hope in the immediate future or very soon to come out with a full proposal. Thank you.